Namaste friends, my name is Nisha Thakur and I am a maths online tutor, and this is here today's question. This is a exponential problem. So if you have good knowledge about exponent and quadratic equations, so you can solve very easily. So let's start. 3x square and here 9, so we can write 3 square to the power x equal 81. We can write 3 to the power 4. Okay, now here 3x square, if power to the power, so here power multiply m multiply n, so here 3 2 to the here 3 to the power 2 to the power x, so 2 multiply with x, 2x equal 3 to the power 4. Okay, now we can apply here quotient rule. So if a to the power m upon a to the power n, so we can write a to the power m minus n. Okay, so 3 to the power x square minus 2x. Okay, this power and this power subtracted, and this is 3 to the power 4. Here 3 to the power this x square minus 2x and 3 to the power 4. So here power equal because base are same, so power also same. So x square minus 2x equal 4. Now x square minus 2x minus 4 equal to 0. 4 transfer this side, so it will be negative. Now we got a quadratic equation. Here product is minus 4 and sum is minus 2. We don't get two numbers which product is minus 4 and sum is minus 2. So we can't factorize by splitting the middle term. So we can apply here quadratic formula. So we can compare with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a not equal to 0. And we apply here quadratic formula. So minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, we can compare here. So a value here 1, b value minus 2, and c value minus 4. Now we can find out x. Here substitute all values in the formula. Minus, what is b value? B value is minus 2, plus minus b square, so minus 2 square minus 4, a value 1, and c value minus 4, 2, a value 1. Minus minus plus, so plus 2 plus minus 2 square is 4, and minus 4 times 1 times minus 4, so minus minus plus, and 4 times 4 16, 2 times 1 2. Okay, so this is 2 plus minus 4 plus 16 20, and divided by 2. 2 plus minus square root 20, we can write 2 times 2 times 5. Okay, and divided by 2. So this 2 right here, and 2 times 2, this comes out, so this is 2. Okay, or we can say this is 4, square root 4 is 2, and square root 5 divided by 2. We can take common from numerator 2, so 1 plus minus square root 5 and divided by 2. Okay, This 2 and this 2 cancel. So our answer is 1 plus minus square root 5. Okay. This is x value. So one value is 1 plus square root 5 and other value is 1 minus square root 5. Your two answer. Okay. So for this one, answer is x is equal to 1 plus minus square root 5. Very simple. So if you have good knowledge about exponent and quadratic equation, so really easy this type of questions. Okay. But if you have any doubt in any steps, so you can ask me anytime. And if you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.